All right, in this question, we are asked to find the derivative of ln x squared. Very simple. Solution, we'll tell them that let y be equal to that ln x squared. It's supposed to be ln x, and I think that whenever they change it to another thing, that thing they change it to become the bracket, and the bracket is our u. So we say that let u be equal to what? That x squared. So which implies that my y will now be what? Ln u, because this is now my u. So du dx is equal to what? 2x. And then dy du is equal to what? Differentiation of ln u is equal to 1 over u. So my dy dx that I'm looking for will now be equal to du dx multiplied by dy du, such that if du cancel du, I'm getting back my dy dx. So this is equal to what? 2x multiplied by 1 over u, which is what? 2x multiplied by 1 over x squared. So which is giving me just 2 over x. As simple as that. Now this is a long method if it is theory. But if it's objective or subjective, I have that y is equal to ln x squared. This is chain rule. And the shortcut to chain rule simply said, differentiate the bracket, differentiate everything. So therefore, dy dx is equal to, differentiate the bracket is x squared. Differentiation of x squared is what? 2x multiplied by, differentiate ln something is 1 over that same thing. So which will give us, if x cancel x here, I'm having 2 over x. The same answer I got here. So depending on if you are given objective or theory. If it is theory, use the normal method. If it's objective, use the shortcut. May the peace of the Lord be with you. I hope you understood what I did here. The differentiate the bracket is 2x. Differentiate ln something is 1 over that same thing. So, and this time this will give you 2x over x squared. So x cancelling one of the x here, I have x 2 over x, which is exactly the same result as the other one. Bye-bye. Subscribe.